good morning. It's Kelly Fischer from Treasure Coast Sotheby's International Realty. Thanks for coming back to my video blog. I wanted to do this video today for you, whether you're buying or selling a home. This is going to be very helpful information. And as you can see, we are here today. We're sitting right up in Sebastian, on the Sebastian River. The boats are going by. It's a beautiful day in Florida. And I am here with Daniel Guthrie from Sea Home Inspections, who's going to share with us some information about why you need a home inspection. Thanks for being on the video today, Daniel.
Thanks, Kelly.
Really appreciate it. Okay, so a few weeks ago we talked about pre-inspections by sellers when you're getting ready to sell your property. And today we want to talk about inspections that buyers will have when they're having a contract on a property to protect themselves and know exactly what's going on with the house. So Daniel offers a couple of different things. And I'm not just going to say Daniel, because there are a lot of home inspectors. He's just one that we like a lot and recommend sometimes. So Daniel, what kind of inspections do you typically do?
So we're basically a one-stop shop. We can handle all of your home inspection needs. Basically home inspections, wind mits, 4 points, water testing. I subcontract out subcontractors and termite inspectors, where some home inspectors will actually do termite inspections themselves, and pool inspections also. And then there's several other ones too that if you need a specialist to come in, we can recommend different guys in order to do those types of things. Awesome.
Okay, great. So kind of full service.
Absolutely.
Awesome. And what does it typically cost to have a home inspection on an average size home? Obviously, we know it varies based on size, age, condition, all of that, but what's the general?
Normally in our industry in this area, it varies anywhere from $300 to $500 for a normal size home inspection. And it can go up from there. Obviously, the larger the house, the longer it takes us, and that's the increase in price would go up because of that. Also, you can get an increase in price based on the age of the house because you'll need more inspections, like 4 points. And
that's for insurance purposes.
Correct. And mortgage companies, VA loans, FHA loans will also require different things as well. So those can increase the cost of your home inspections.
So Daniel, what's the big reason that people should have home inspections?
The reason why you have a home inspection is the same reason why you would hire a mechanic in order to look at your car before you purchase it. However, a home purchase is a lot more costly than a car. So I would highly recommend that you use a mechanic or a home inspector to go through your entire home and evaluate everything with the home so you can make an educated decision on whether or not you want the home with the issues that come with it as well. One of the other advantages to a home inspection is that we will actually educate you as to the maintenance program that you can have in different areas of your home that can prevent issues from happening in the future.
Right, and that you'd want to know, especially if you're a first-time home buyer and you don't know really what it means to own a home and what could possibly happen. This way, once they've gotten the report and they've gone through a home with an inspector, they can say, oh, okay, so this is something that I need to take care of monthly. I need to change the air conditioning filters. I need to pour bleach down in the whatever, all these different things that we have to do to maintain our homes that sometimes people wouldn't know.
Absolutely.
Okay. So what's the most common issue that you're finding coming up right now in home inspections in 2018 in Florida? What's going on here that people it just keeps coming up?
Well, one of the big things that I've been finding a lot lately are that the roofs that we had, most homes in Florida got hit by a storm in 2004, 2005, and a lot of people took advantage of the opportunity to replace their roof at that point in time. So most roofs are now 13, 14, 15 years old, and this is the time where you start to see the first vulnerable areas in your roof. So I am finding a lot of roof leaks lately. Nothing too major, but normally any vulnerable areas, plumbing vents, roof to wall connections, things like that are starting to show moisture stains and things like that. So that's probably the biggest one that I've been finding a lot lately.
And then we also, you find like little minor plumbing leaks a lot, and different wood rot on the outside of houses, things like that. Mm-hmm. So these are the typical things that at least that I see in home inspections over and over and over again. That it's like you almost know what to expect on an inspection. Absolutely. Most people's appliances work. All these things. Yes. It's just normal, right?
Double lugging in panels. I don't know what.
Yeah, electrical panels. Yep, exactly. Okay. So one last question.
Mm-hmm.
Can you explain a wind mitigation? Because a lot of people don't know what it is.
Mm-hmm.
They don't realize it can save them money on their insurance,
mm-hmm.
and it's not expensive.
Right. Correct.
You want to explain what that's about?
Sure. A wind mitigation is basically only in the state of Florida, and Texas just adopted it. It came around after the 2004 storms. After our 2004 storms in the state of Florida, insurance rates went through the roof, and a lot of other companies got out of town completely. Like State Farm got out of Florida. So the insurance companies that stayed decided to raise their rates extremely high. And the state of Florida said that's not fair to our residents here in Florida. You need to come up with a discount for newer, stronger, well-built homes. And so they came out, at the beginning, it came out with 5 different discounts that you can get. At that point in time, it evolved to add pictures to those. And now at this point, you have 7 different discounts you can get from a wind mitigation. It's very advantageous to a homeowner to do a wind mitigation because there's several discounts that you can get from doing a wind mitigation itself. It's basically just for discounts on your insurance, and that's all it's there for. As long as you get one of the discounts, it's well worth your while to do it. It's roughly $100. And I'm Daniel Guthrie, C2C Home Inspections. My number is 772-539-1925. If you have any questions, feel free to call me at any time.
All right. Well, thanks again for being on the video blog this week. I really appreciate it. And thanks for inviting me up here. What a beautiful spot. If you have any further questions about home inspections, please give me a call, 772-205-3058. Go ahead and search for homes on our website, kellysoldmyhome.com. Thanks again for watching. God bless you and have a wonderful day. Bye now.